In this video, I will share with you how to check your appointments calendar in Hostinger website builder booking system. This is a restaurant website built using Hostinger website builder, and this is the calendar. I've already placed 2 bookings in this online store, and in this video I will share with you how to check them, or how to check them in your booking calendar. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and to easily locate this website, I will search using the website URL. This is it. Click on Manage Store next to your website to go straight to the store management area. Now, click on Appointments. This is your appointments calendar, and this month is December, and today is 28th of this December. As you can see, tomorrow I have a booking or an appointment. If I click on it, I can see the booking details like the products booked, the price paid, the session duration, the events details like the date, month, and the year, starting and ending session, the location of this booking, and also the client details. To check the next month bookings, just click on this little arrow. And as you can see, I have another booking on this date. If I click on it, the same window pops up with the booking details. Unfortunately, the client's details cannot be located from this window, but just copy the client email, then go to the orders page, look for or search using the order email, and as you can see, this client booked 2 dates with me. Click on it like that, and from this order details page, you can see more customers information like the name, the address, and also the same email. And this is how to check your appointments calendar in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.